Alright guys, if you want to remove directories, the command is remove down like this. Okay, this command will enables you to remove directory. Okay, and if you do -help, if you want to see the usage, you do -help here. You can see that remove down, that is directory, remove the directories if they are empty. So it only remove empty directory. You can also add the flag of -p to remove a nested directory. Okay, if you do -p, it is going to remove nested directory, as you can see the example here. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Then let's see the folders we have in our directory. Okay, you can see we have this folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and test folder. Remember that the test folder is actually a nested folder. So let's remove folder 1. Remove down folder 1. So if I press enter now, okay, there is no error. If I do ls now, you can see folder 1 is no longer there. It has been removed. So let's try to remove the test folder. Remember that the test folder has a nested folder inside it. So if I do test folder and press enter, do you see there is error, fail to remove directory not empty? This is because this directory has another folder inside it. Okay, and the remove that only remove the empty folder. So that is it. But if you want to remove this folder, there is another command, rm. Rm will enable you to remove this folder when you add a flag of recursion. Okay, if I try to remove it like this, if I do test folder again, you can see I still get an error. It is a directory and it contains more files. But if I do rm-r, this r means recursion. Okay, recursively remove it. Okay, so and if I do test folder now, press enter, you can see it has been removed. When you use the -r flag with rm, it is going to remove the files and folders. So both the nested files and folders, and you need to be careful in this area. A file through this method, you cannot recover that files and folder. Okay, so when you remove a files and folders using this command line like this, you cannot be able to recover it. And if I do ls now, you can see the test folder has been removed. You can use remove that to remove empty folder, and you can also use the remove with -r to remove a nested folder with files inside it. Okay, so that is how to remove files and folders. There is also another flag. Let me see what we have. Okay, we have folder 2, folder 3. If I cd into folder 3, folder 2 rather. So let me make another directory inside it. Make down test folder. If I do cd dot and do ls, I have folder 2, folder 3, and folder 2 is now having another folder inside. You can also use this flag, remove. So if you add a flag of f, -f, it means force. Okay, to forcefully remove the folder. Okay, so that is -f. Okay, so if I do rm, you can also use it in this order. Okay, so I'm combining the recursion with the force flag. Now the name of the folder you want to remove, which is folder 2, and press enter, it is also removed. Okay, the spelling is wrong. If I do ls, it wasn't removed, but it's not throwing error because it will just ignore it if the folder doesn't exist. So this option will just ignore it if the folder doesn't exist. Okay, so let me try it again. And the folder like this, folder 2, press enter, do ls now to see if it has been removed. you can see the folder 2 has been removed. So let me clear the screen. Let me show you another option you can also include. Now I have one folder inside, so I have folder 3 inside now. If I do remove -I, means interactive, it's going to show me a confirmation message to be sure that I want to remove the folder. If I do folder 3 now and press enter, okay, it is a directory. Okay, so I need to use recursion. So I need to do the recursion, okay, like this, and press enter. Do you see now it is asking me a question, remove directory? Okay, if I want to remove it, I press yes. So if I press yes now, it is going to remove the folder 3 directory. So it is asking me question now, are you sure you want to remove it? So if I press yes, and if I type yes and press enter, and that is it, folder 3 has been removed. If I do ls, you can see the CMD tutorial is now empty. So all the folders has been removed from this. Okay,